Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Bettia. Today I am going to teach you Standard 5, Moral Science, Chapter 5, The Unusual Project Director. Today I am going to teach you the unusual project director. Who was the unusual project director? We will study in this chapter. So let's start our chapter. At the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, a team of around 70 scientists were really frustrated because of the work pressure and high expectations of their project director. The scientists, however, understood the importance of their work and knew the reason why their project director wanted to get the best results, so they never left him. In this paragraph, there was a team of 70 scientists and they were working at Defense Research and Development Organization. Defense Research and Development Organization means Raksha Anusandhan or Vikas Mantralaya. All 70 scientists have a lots of work. Because of too much work given by their project director and his expectations. Expectations means ummeed. All those scientists were frustrated. Frustrated means disappointed. Means nirash, hatash ho gaye the. And their project director wanted his scientists to work very well, and now they have understood it, so they never left him. Next paragraph. One day, one of the scientists requested the project director to let him leave early from work as he had promised to take his children to an exhibition. The project director agreed and gave him the permission. So, in this paragraph, one day a scientist asked to his project director that today I have to go to home early because I have promised to my children to take them to an exhibition. His project director gave him permission. Permission means anumati. So, next paragraph. Relieved that he had the permission to leave early, the scientist started working. Soon he got so engrossed that he lost track of time. After a few hours, when he finally had a look at his watch, it was 8:30 p.m. The young scientist suddenly remembered the promise he had made to his children. At that moment, the sad face of his children came in front of his eyes. As nothing could be done now, he decided to look for his project director to inform him about the status of his work before leaving. He couldn't find him anywhere, so he left for the day. After getting permission, that scientist got involved in his work. Soon he got so engrossed. Engrossed means किसी काम में तल्लीन हो जाना. वह अपने काम में एकदम मन लगा करके अपना काम करने लगा. He didn't care about time. When he saw his watch, he saw the time. After a few hours, it was 8:30 p.m. and he was late. He then remembered that he had promised to his children to take them to an exhibition. Then the sad face of his children appeared in front of his eyes. At that time, nothing could be done. So he wanted to show his project director his work before going home, but he could not find him there because he was not there. So that scientist left. Next paragraph. On his way back home, the scientist felt extremely guilty for not taking his children to the exhibition. He was expecting his wife and children to be really angry at him. So, when he was going to his home, he felt very guilty. Guilty means शर्मिंदा, ग्लानी. गिल्टी मीन्स उसे बहुत ही शर्मिंदगी महसूस हो रही थी, ग्लानी महसूस हो रही थी ऑन हिज ओन दैट ही डिड नॉट टेक हिज चिल्ड्रन फॉर एग्जिबिशन. नाउ ही थॉट हिज वाइफ and his children would be angry at him. However, when he reached home, he didn't find his children there. His wife too was calmly reading a magazine. On seeing him, she politely asked, "Would you like to have some coffee?" However, when he reached his home, his children were not there, and his wife was also reading magazine peacefully. When she saw him, she asked, "Would you like to have some coffee?" So, scientist was really surprised at her behavior. He asked her instead. Where are the children? The scientist was really surprised. Surprise means आश्चर्यचकित at her behavior. Behavior means व्यवहार. Because his wife was not angry at him. Instead of saying anything, he asked his wife, "Where are the children?" The wife told him that they have gone to see the exhibition with a man he had sent from his office. The scientist was now more surprised than before. "Which man?" he inquired. "I had not sent anyone to take the children to the exhibition." But before the couple could talk any further, he heard the cheerful voices of his two children, and behind them was the person who had taken them to the exhibition. अब साइंटिस्ट और भी ज़्यादा आश्चर्यचकित होते हैं. And he asks, "With whom?" And he tells, "I have not sent anyone to take the children to the exhibition." Meanwhile, he heard the cheerful voices of his two children. Cheerful means खुश, joyful voices of his children. And behind them, that person was standing who had taken them to the exhibition. So students, today I have taught you this paragraph. I hope you have understood it. Next paragraph I will teach you in my next video. Thank you.